Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about Bothriotis, which is a fungal pathogen of lilies. This lily cultivar has been infected with Bothriotis, unfortunately, and it starts like these little oval brownish grayish spots on the leaves. These spots can occur also on the flowers, and then they can elongate and become these big dead parts of the leaf and the stem if weather conditions are favorable. Usually Bothriotis attacks in moist and a little bit cooler conditions, and usually not in the dead of summer when it's very warm and dry. This lily has also some virus in it, and but it's very interesting. If you see these little small spots, it means that you are already 3 days late to spray your lilies, because when the pathogen infects the plant, it needs a little time to feel comfortable in the plant and start to digest the cells, and after a couple of days you can see these spots. These big dead areas on the leaves are about 5 to 6 days later. Fortunately, I sprayed the plants 3 days ago, so now I'm pretty sure that this will stop the spread of the infection, although I watered the plants, so it will not help much. But you know, life is not perfect, and that's all I wanted to say. And be careful, look for these symptoms and spray your lilies if you are not afraid of using pesticides in your garden. And yeah, that's all. See you next time. Goodbye.